long as I got you by my side, I don't care what your people say. Your friends tell you it's no future in loving a married man. If I can see you when I want, I'll see you when I can. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Am I wrong to fall so deeply in love with you, knowing I got a wife and 2 little children depending on me too? And am I wrong to hunger for the gentleness of your touch, knowing I got someone else at home who needs me just as much? And are you wrong to give your love to a married man? And am I wrong for trying to hold on to the best thing I ever had? If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Ooh, I don't wanna be right. No, no. Are you wrong to give your love to a married man? And am I wrong for trying to hold on to the best thing I ever had? If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Am I wrong to fall so deeply?
Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's a lie. So I can't, no I can't, no I can't. Yes, yes, you've been with me right through the rough, and you never said I had enough. So I can't, no I can't, no I can't. Hey honey, I'd like to repay you for damages done. I know I won't be able to repair it all, 'cause I lost count. And with all the time you've been hurting, you're still so fine, and it's blowing my mind. I know I should back and walk away and leave you nothing to remind, but I can't. Oh, I can't. No, I can't. No, honey, no.
They're representing for DJ Jason.
Come out and say it to you. You know?
Like to repay you for damages done. I won't be able to repair it all, 'cause I lost count. And with all the time I see you hurting, you're still so fine, and it's blowing my mind. I should pack my things and walk away and leave you nothing to remind, but I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't.
No, no, Now many men will try to tell you bad things about me. Oh baby, let them try. I know one day their lust will die, and there will be no cause or reason for you to doubt me. 'Cause what I feel is real. The love that I have is yours, signed and sealed. Now I'm building my whole wide world around you. But baby, here's my request from you. Baby, don't take my kindness for weakness. Please don't take every breath I take, I'll take another one for you. Because I want you in my life, now baby. And every song I sing, I'll be singing with feelings about you, with feelings of love so pure and true. There is no way I can live my life without you, baby. But this I desire from you. Baby, don't take my kindness for weakness. No, no, don't take my sweetness for weakness. Please don't take my kindness for weakness. No, no, baby. Cause everything depends on you.
Oh gosh, what a night. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, cause your perfume isn't loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. You feel like velvet rubbing over my skin, and when your hair dances under my chin, I wish we were alone, baby, just the two of us. Yes, every move you make gives me a rush. Whoa, oh. Wine some more, show me that love unconditionally. Make believe we're alone, just you and me. Take the problems, leave them behind. Don't let it show. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, cause your perfume isn't loud, that only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good.
You should know this by now. You're my number one girl. There is no other. Oh no, not in this world. We'll live together and sever will never, like two peas in a pod. That's the way we will be now, now. Baby, just you wait and see. Some people may try to keep us apart. They can't change the feelings deep within my heart. I know now for sure I love you much more than you can imagine. Girl, my love is for real. I need a love that I can feel. Yeah, you gave me a smile and you went away, baby. I prayed to Jah that one day you would come back and stay. I opened my eyes, that's when I realized that all that I do is all about you, baby. Girl, I love you really and true, yeah. My number one girl. Ooh. My number one girl. Baby, baby. Hey, you should know this by now. There is no one for me but you. Honey, I can't fight the feeling. I'm in love with you really and true. I've been around the world, dated many, many girls, but none can compare. Girl, it's all about you, baby. Girl, I love you really and true. Yeah, I know men will try, but I understand the reason why. If I should hurt you, baby, heaven and earth would cry. There's really no reason for us to be apart when all that I do is all about you, baby. I love you really and true. You gave me a smile and you went away, baby. I prayed to Jah that one day you would come back and stay. I opened my eyes, that's when I realized that all that I do is all about you, baby. Girl, I love you really and true, yeah.
I can't fight this feeling. Oh no.
Woman, you're nice. Smile on your face is like you rise up on the night. Girl, me can't wait to give you everything you like. Hope you from the day your Christmas sight. I guarantee that you'll be satisfied. Don't be afraid to break the rules and to better things, so tell the little man to cool. I'm the lucky star, I can't believe I found the tool. And them all ask what you wanna do, so make them know say that me have the tool.
The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul, I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. It feels so right. Champagne and candlelight, the way you hold me tight. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. Oh no.
Woman, you bring the niceness, priceless. Girl, you have the place. Bossy, can't forget. Yes, I love the chase. You know, say no bagger man can't come call your name. All where you gonna, you me claim. Woman, your body tight, hotter. Woman, you really blessed. Polite, proper, out above the rest. You are my darling empress. That's why girl, I confess.
Passion, you dance and you smile, you beckon, and I just know what it is you reckon. Give me more, more, yes. Hey, Miss Kisses, I'm gonna grant you your wishes, and you can bet on your 4-leaf clover. I'm gonna love you over and over. The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul, I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. No, it feels so right. Champagne and candlelight, the way you hold me tight. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. Oh no, love me more, love me more. Love me till I want no more. I'm hurting. I did not see what I was supposed to see. Taking it easy when a friend told me I was in danger. So much danger. Underestimating my woman, not taking her out. Working too hard and now she's gone off with a stranger. Someone I don't even know. I should have taken her out every once in a while. Dinner together on the fancy style. Show her a life that's all worthwhile. Now I guess I gotta walk an extra mile. I could beat myself. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. I could beat myself. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm gonna feel funny out there in the crowd when my friends all ask me, where is your woman? Long time I don't see. Now I've got to think fast, gotta use my head. Give a good story and make sure they buy my version of the situation. Although I don't wanna lie, I'm gonna do this once. See my reputation sinking in a distance. If they knew the truth that really existed, then my little sanity would be wasted. I could beat myself. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. I could beat myself. Oh Lord. Ooh, I'm hurting bad. Ooh, I'm hurting. I'm glad I didn't turn you down. I've watched you all these years, holding your head up high, just wanting to be someone. When all the fellows around, they didn't pay you no mind. How could they not look twice? They must have been blind. But I could tell from the start, you had love in your heart, and you wanted so much to let it go. Baby, you needed the chance to show a little romance. Now the table is turned, they're running you down. Baby, show it all. Show them what you got now, honey. Throw it off. Break them 'cause you're hot now, baby. Let it off. Let them feel the heat now, honey. Show it off. You got them at your feet now, baby. Makes me feel so good. Whoa, down, down, down. You're standing on the corner with the brothers hanging out, and they stare at every woman, but never at you. But I've always admired and had a silent crush on you. But how could I tell the brothers? They'd laugh and say it's not true. And they'd call you names I'm ashamed to repeat, and even say you're walking in your sleep. Now, then you disappeared and came back last year. Now the same guys are saying, oh, what a heat, baby. Show it all. Show them what you got now, honey. Throw it off. Burn them 'cause you're hot now, baby. Let it off. Let them feel the heat now, honey. Show it off. You got them at your feet now, baby. Show it off and make me feel so good. Ooh, na na na. Didn't think you could do it. How could you look so well? The expression on their faces are guilty, you can tell. Now they're acting so friendly. Everyone wants to be near. It's either they don't remember or they just don't care. They used to call you names I'm ashamed to repeat, and they even say you're walking in your sleep. Nah, nah. Then you disappeared and came back last year. Now the same guys are saying, oh, what a heat, baby. Show it off. Show them what you got now, honey. Throw it off. Burn them 'cause you're hot now, baby. Let it off. Let them feel the heat now, honey. Show it off.
Reggae, Jamaica, Reggae, Retreat.
Ever since you dropped your love on me, baby, I feel a change. I am not the same man I used to be. Ever since the day you came my way, now little darling, my sun is shining. It's the start of a brand new day. We'll be forever lovers. There will be no other. Oh no, not in this world. I'll be your man. Girl, you know you're my only woman. Ever since you gave your love to me, baby, there's been a change. My whole life's been rearranged, yeah. I can feel it now, baby. Your love, sweet love, sweet love. You know that you can always depend on me, baby. You are the key to bring my fantasy to reality. No matter what some people say or do, I shall not remove. You've got me in a groove. It's up to you to make the right move. My forever lover, there can be no other. Oh no, not in this world. My Mrs. Right, my number one girl in this world. I can feel it now, baby. Your love, sweet love, sweet love. Feel it now, baby.
It's nice to have you back around. At least I stand a chance, baby. It's nice to have you back around. It's been so long, I've been so crazy since you left town now. Ooh, baby, yeah, I'm gonna roll my red carpet out. Gonna jump and I'm gonna shout now that you're around. Ooh, now, if I sugar you want, come get some loving you want. Me have you lump some baby you want. My quota's not done. I'll give you everything under the sun. Gonna push you out in some fancy gears. Let the boys on the corner cry, living tears. And even they will have to admit, cause see them a come up with them little pink carpet. It's nice to have you back around. It's been so long, I've been so crazy since you left town. We're now, and I'm gonna roll my red carpet out. Gonna jump and I'm gonna shout now that you're around. Ooh, no. Sugar you want, I come get some loving you want. Me have you lump some baby you want. Under me Irish and me Magnum, I'd give you everything, daughter or son. Push you out in some fancy gears. Little boys on the corner cry, live in tears. And even they will have to admit, cause see them a come up with them bad color carpet. Ooh, now, yeah, now. It's nice. Baby, consider me. Well, I know you're trying to be a big girl and keep the tears from your eyes. No, baby. Oh, it's gonna be a little hard to lift your head up high. No. Now, little girl, you're gonna need a man. A man who will understand. Oh, darling, please consider me. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, I know all your friends have left you all alone. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, and all the good times you had with him are gone. No. So you gotta have a man who will understand. Oh, darling, please consider me. Ooh. Baby, you know I felt this way before. Yeah. I'm so tired. What a confrontation this will be. Now look at me at 2:45. I wanna go home. That's where I should be. Don't know what to do or what I should say. Gotta make up my mind before night turns to day. Be early, she told me. I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you. Now how am I gonna enter? I can't afford to wake her with lipstick stains. I've got to tiptoe. Now double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, can't take the noggin in my head. Double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm so tired, I wanna go home. Now this is my gate. Wonder if she's awake or asleep. If I know her well, she's somewhere taking a peek. What will my story be? This one better be good. Should I tell her I had a confrontation with Robin Hood? Be early, she told me. I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you. Now how am I gonna enter? I can't afford to wake her with lipstick stains. I've got to tiptoe. Now double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, can't take the noggin in my head. Double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm so tired, I wanna go home. Now I'm worried for my life. It's going to 5. When I'm finally inside, will I still be alive? Now fate's behind the door, gotta promise her a tour. The night is so cold, I can't take it no more, no. She told me, be early, I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you.
Come over. Just a minute, just a teeny weeny minute of your time is all I need to get closer before loneliness runs me over. Just a kiss, just a touch, if that is a crime, then my life would be over. All of my dreams come tumbling down. I am a serious man. I believe in truth and equality, living in a rightful way, giving thanks and praises to Jah every day, for giving you to me and me to you. That's the way it should be. Oh wait, time to set the captives free. Your mama must have known that you would meet a man like me. She called me up on the phone, saying what is to be will be. A sweet woman like you and a serious man like me. I won't ever make you blue, no, no, no. All this love I allotted to you now. Baby, baby, tell me what you want me to do. Girl, if you leave me, my life will be over. You make all my joys come over. Just a minute, just a teeny weeny minute of your time is all I need to get closer before loneliness runs me over. Just a kiss, just a touch, if that is a crime, then my life would be over. All of my dreams come
I wonder what the guys have said to you. Hey honey, I seriously hope what they're saying is something true. Hope they tell you you've got heaven in your eyes. Saying you're a blessing wouldn't be a lie. And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't tell you nothing, no. And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't call you nothing, no. No, 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 no. Brothers keep forgetting they leave their women at home. With lust in their hearts they keep looking on and on and on and on. Guess you get something every woman's craving for. I myself wish I had you behind my door. I just don't wanna call you sweetness, I just don't wanna call you niceness. And how about sugar dumpling? Then I guess I just don't call you nothing, no. I just don't wanna call you sweetness, I just don't wanna call you niceness. How about sugar dumpling? Then I guess I just don't call you nothing, no. No, no.
when true love keeps holding on, holding on and on and on and on and on. I just can't fight this feeling. I'm torn between two lovers and I can't let go. To have my cake and eat it too. I'm so confused and I don't wanna lose. No, no, no. But this feeling's got me getting tired. And I can't be in two places, not at the same time. Sometimes I wanna run away. Oh, how I wish feeling is blowing my mind and I can't let go. No, no, I can't let the music go. No, no, I'm so confused and I don't wanna lose. I just can't fight this feeling. I'm torn between two lovers and I can't let go. No, no, I can't let the music go. No, no, I'm so confused and I don't wanna lose my feeling of love and music. Please don't make me choose. I can't afford to lose. Can't let the music go. No, no, this feeling is blowing my mind. I can't let go.
I'd like to tell you a story about what one dance can do. What one dance can do. One dance can do. One dance can do. And listen there. After one dance on the floor, she came back wanting for more, for more. Now I don't know what it is that I've got, but she whispered it was so nice, so nice. But her man is sitting across the way, and he could hear the things I say. Now he watches from the corner of his eyes. So a move like this would be so unwise. Ooh, ooh, he's standing in my way. Standing in my way. You could see she was more than ready to make the move with me anytime. Not even thinking of the consequences, oh no, no. So I had to think quickly. Cause her man, his face was looking oh so mean, as if any time he could create a scene. So gently I pushed her away. Ooh, ooh, he wants to spoil the play. He's standing in my way. He's standing in my way. Whoa, whoa. That just means I can't complain. She loves me now, and I must admit I feel the same. Listen, early one Sunday morning, I took up my paper and decided to read. Phone rang with a little voice saying, you might not remember me, but I had wanna dance with you. Ever since the night we met, I must tell you true. You danced into my life, never out of my mind. And now between me and my man, it's all over. That's what she said. And I just want us now to get closer. She loves me now. That just means I can't complain. Oh, she loves me now. I must admit I feel the same. Give me a break, baby. Need to be with you. The doctor's order. I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a a shiver running up my spine. This hurting feeling, it hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. Oh, my bed, it is so cold. You got my happiness on hold. Oh, I feel a ton of joy and my heart gets warm. Thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arm. But as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Yes, it's another sleepless night. Oh, the shiver, baby. I'm on the doctor's order. I need you, baby. The remedy is you, girl. Don't you know? I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a shiver running up my spine. This lonely feeling hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. I feel a shiver when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a ton of joy. It's just me and you.
I found everything that I need for always, now and forever. I found everything that I want in you, baby. I've been out and all over the world. I've socialized with many beautiful ladies, but what we had, none can compare. Found all I need in you, baby. Just realize and recognize we are together for a serious reason. Don't tell me lies, give me no verbal disguise. We'll stay together till the end of time. I've searched the whole world all over, just looking and hoping to find you, not knowing that you were here with me all the while, baby. And now my life is looking up. My love for you each day gets stronger.
You don't know what it's a gosh and say representing
And
for
though
DJ
sometimes
Jason.
the way gets tough, I find myself in you, baby. Just realize and recognize we are together for a serious reason. Don't tell me lies, give me no verbal disguise. We'll stay together till the end of time. Oh, na, 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 na. Ooh. Na, 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 na. Now she's asking her friends about me. She wants to know if I'm single and free. Now that she realized that I am just a size, she wanna get next to me. I heard it through the grapevine. I heard a knock on my door early in the morning, about 3:45. And as I opened my eyes, she gave me a big surprise. She wanna get next to me. Ooh, Then I looked in her eyes. That's when I realized she wanna get next to me. Now, ooh. And if you should be on your own, pick up the phone. Don't you stay there alone. Her lover won't treat her right. She's gonna come over tonight. Get next to me. Now. Ooh, you know your heart could be in danger. Giving your love to a perfect stranger. Give love to me. What will be must be. Get next to me. No, baby. Ooh.
Special about you, but still you were plaguing my mind. I used to take you for granted. You were the last name in my life. Presently you're the most wanted at the top of my line. And it was yesterday when I saw you down the lane. You and my best friend.
Jealousy
my heart felt the pain. And now I'm falling in love all over again. Could I ever doubt that you were my friend? I'm falling in love all over again.
Watch this.
Could I ever doubt that you were my friend?
Beres. Yeah. Oh, say that big man
man, don't cry. You never miss the water till you well run dry. Could you find it in your heart to give me one more blight? I won't abuse the situation, this time I won't lie. For my nightly conversation, also me lullaby. Fresh squeeze orange juice, and me eggs well fried. Garments well clean, from me socks to me tie. She's a friend, also a lover, that mean me not for shy. Be express myself straight up to the sky, yo. Ooh, say that big man don't cry. You never miss the water till you well run dry. Me say, ooh, say that big man don't cry.
Now I'm falling in love all over again.
It's only natural.
How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? Right now I'm falling in love all over again.
As I was saying,
how could I ever doubt that you were my friend?
watch this. Woman on this all your sweet chat, I know you massage me back. It gon' me have a sister John time I get that. Woman want affection, somebody feeling pan. Through me ignorance, me never understand. I'm going to take time out to show me love motion. I make you know we can't stop, can't respond. I am the greatest lover boy in the island. More time you slip up, more time you go wrong. Hear me out, woman, I beg you understand. Even the wisest man, the great King Solomon, take with him ticky and get a wrong back. That's how him lose him throne in the great Babylon. So me say, oh, say that big man don't cry. I learn the hard way, woman don't ask me why you. Oh, say that big man don't cry. Come Beres Hammond, come tell the world why.
Now I'm falling in love all over again. Yeah. How could I ever doubt?
She's a friend and also
I'm falling in love.
You've got to free up your mind from within you, cause there's a soul that dwells deep within you. A lot of goodness Jah created within you. Right from the start, put your love in your heart. Right from the start, put your love in your heart.
Oh yeah, and if you follow the words to a letter, humble yourself and your lives will be better. Through your mercies, I'm sure we will prosper.
Right from the start, put your love in your heart.
Put your love in your heart.
Right from the start,
Right from the start.
put your love in your heart.
Because the wages of sin is death.
Wages of sin
And the
is
gift
death.
of God is eternal life. We won't have to live in fret.
No, no, no.
We will live in the life that is right in your sight. Right from the start. Put your love in your heart. Right from the start. Put your love in your heart.
And when the wicked try to plan your disaster, don't you fret, cause the wicked can't prosper. Just do your words, heed the voice of the master talking to your heart. Right
Rhythm,
from the start,
Jamaica, Reggae, Retreat.
love in your heart. Na, na, na,
When the pressures of life rolled you over, just put your trust in the voice of the Father. Never failed you, you better come over.
Right from the start, put your love in your
Put
heart.
your love in your heart.
Right from the start,
Right from the start.
put your love in your heart. Because the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. We won't have to live and fret when we live in a life that is right in your sight. Right from the start, no, no.
Put your love in your heart.
You in your life has got to have a fighting chance to make things right, baby. Remove all the heartache and strife. And right now all I'm thinking of is kids and wife. Few drops of love on me now, baby, I can't get free. Can't believe I'm not dreaming, this is reality. There's never a time I'm thinking that I don't think of you, baby. So deeply in love I'm sinking, I don't know what to do. This love is so high, we can't get over it, no, no. With feelings so wide, we can't get around. When we trust in the powers of the Most High, we'll be satisfied, baby. Forsaking all confusion mixed with foolish pride. For the rest of my years I'll be here, standing by your side, and always doing good to to those who would take me for a ride. This love is so high, we can't get over it. No, no. We're feeling so wide, we can't get around. A man needs to be at home to see his children grow, exalting truths and rights and watch the vibes flow. Now if I should lose this feeling, I won't know what to do, 'cause I'm really not one of those guys just passing through. I need more time in your life. I've got to have a fighting chance to make things right. Now baby, remove all the heartache and strife. And na-na-na-na-na-na. My love belongs to you, girl. Don't you know we were made for each other? What I'm saying to you is true, girl. I couldn't give my love to no other. No, no. Now when the rain is falling and my sun won't shine, on the phone I am calling, I got you on my mind, hoping I can get you online. Those other girls that are calling can't get me on the phone. I'm not giving in, I'm in love with you alone. My desire is to have you at home. You're much more than a baby mother. Now darling, a gift to me from the Father. Give praises to Almighty Jaja for bringing you here. We na 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 na, oh na 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 na, na na na, oh na 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 na. If you could see what I'm really feeling, not for a minute would you be doubting what I'm saying. I've got no more time for playing. No, baby, all my playing days are over. Ooh, we've got to settle down. I can't live my life alone. Please say hello, 'cause our house is not a home when you're sitting there all alone. Got to catch a flight in the day I'm coming home. Can't take no longer being away from home. Now, baby, will you pick up the phone? Wanna raise us some little children. You know the children are the future. Baby, we're gonna teach them their roots and culture. And any question they'll ask, we'll answer. Now, now, my love belongs to you, girl. Don't you know we were made for each other, baby? What I'm saying to you is true, girl. I couldn't give my love to no other. No, no. We na 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 na, na 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 na.
Here representing for DJ Jason.
I remember when we used to walk hand in hand, you were so close to me. And now all of my dreams are gone away, and loneliness came yesterday, and my heart's filled with pain and love. What did I do? Why I was through? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. I can't stand the pain of feeling like I'm not your man. I'm confused, yes I am. 'Cause now you gone and gone too long, and it wouldn't cross my mind to do you wrong. No, no, no. If cheating was a house, then I'd live outside. What did I do? Why I was rude? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. I'm gonna burn in the morning sun and wait until evening come alive. Will not leave until you tell me what I've done. Burn in the morning sun and wait until evening come alive. Will not leave until you tell me what I've done. I can't stand the pain of feeling like I'm not your man. I'm confused, yes I am. 'Cause now you are gone and gone too long, and it wouldn't cross my mind to do you wrong. No, no, no. If cheating was an act, then I'd live outside. What did I do? Why I was rude? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. It's not gonna be long. Please don't make it long now. I see love from a distance, coming but slowly. I know it's gonna last forever. I feel us coming closer, closer and closer. It's the time we get it together. Whoa, I know you done a lot of wrong, but I'm willing to forgive. No one has the right to decide how the other man should live. Sometimes we should stop and count to 10 before we make each other hurt. 'Cause later on you realize it really had no worth. I see love from a distance, coming but slowly. I know it's gonna last forever. I feel us getting closer, closer and closer. It's the time we get it together. Whoa, whoa. Mama, she started us for so long, with her heart all full of tears, and the wisdom in her eyes kept me safe through all the years. Make me grow to understand that there's still good folks around, and to keep it in our hearts is to be on solid ground. I see love from a distance, coming but slowly. I know it's gonna last forever. I feel us getting closer, closer and closer. It's the time we get it together. Whoa, whoa. I see love from a distance, coming but slowly. I know it's gonna last forever. I feel us getting closer, closer and closer. It's the time we get it together.
Take the name of Jesus with you, child of sorrow and of woe. Don't you know, don't you know, He will joy and comfort give you, child of sorrow and of woe. Don't you know, He can free you from your burden and cleanse you of your sin. Just open your heart, let joy and peace within. He's the lily of the valley, He's the bright captivity. Jesus is the King of Kings, my shield in the time of war. He can do just anything, my Savior, my superstar. Take the name of Jesus with you, child of sorrow and of woe. There is much more for you to know. He will joy and comfort give you, child of sorrow and of woe. Don't you know? Angels in heaven adore him, he's worthy to be praised. And there are some people who fight him, it's the ending of their days. Now I can feel his spirit moving. He has touched me in my soul. The love of God is more precious than gold. And as for me and my house, we will praise him. He is worthy to be praised. Don't you know? Don't you know? He can free you from your burden and cleanse you of your sin. Just open your heart and let joy and peace within. Take the name of Jesus with you, child of sorrow and of woe. Don't you know? Don't you know? One of these fine days we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days we're gonna meet again with people from different nations. One of these fine days we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days we're gonna meet again with people from different culture. I'm pressing on right now to the mark of the higher calling. There are obstacles in my way, but I won't worry cause the wicked has fallen. And the King of Kings is alive. I'm adhering to my master calling. Though I see tribulation and strife, forever his praises I'm singing. One of these fine days we're gonna meet again. Mount Zion, the highest region. One of these days we will meet again. Get ready for repatriation. One of these fine days we will meet again in peace and harmony. One of these days we will meet again. One aim, one destiny. My yoke might be hard, but Jah promised to lighten my burden. Only in Jah do I trust. He's the only solution to the system. And our freedom is a must, no matter how the heathen cuss and fuss. Peace and love and unity is the key to continued survival. One of these fine days we will meet again in peace and harmony. One of these fine days we will meet again. One aim, one destiny. One of these fine days we will meet again, and there won't be no denomination. One of these days we're gonna meet again with people from different nations. No, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. One of these days, yeah, 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 yeah. How good and how pleasant it is to live in love and unity. No fussing, no fighting, just I dreams uniting in peace and harmony. The blessing of God is forever. The works of the wicked can't prosper. There's one thing that I desire. Jah mercy is what I seek after. One of these fine days we will meet again. Mount Zion, the highest region. One of these days we will meet again. Get ready for repatriation.
Never say you're sorry. No, no, no. Hey, was just the other day. Told me you were sorry. It was not so long ago. We talked about the same thing. Darling, why? Please tell me why do lovers behave in such a way? Yes. Didn't you know that love means never to say that you're sorry? No, 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 no. How could you hurt the one you love just like you don't care? No, no, it's such a way. Ooh, nah. Just the other night, you told me that you love me. Yeah. Whispered in my ear, sweet words I long to hear. And when you touched my spine, baby, ooh, it was heaven divine. It's hard to tell myself that you're loving another man. Didn't you know love means never to say that you're sorry? No. How could you hurt the one you love just like you don't care? No, not in my book, no way. Oh, baby, touch me one more time. No. Whisper in my ears your sweet little lies. This will keep me going, even for a moment, till you understand that it's not right. Didn't you know that love means never to say that you're sorry? No. How could you hurt the one you love just like you don't care? No, not in my book, no way. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby, I would walk a mile or two just for you, baby. I want to explain to you that you're the hit on every corner. Gotta confess to you, girl, just what you're doing to this brother. You got my heart, my head, and my mind full burning with desire. And if ever I was given a chance, every bone in my body would give thanks. Now, baby, what do you expect of me? Now, should I stand in the middle of the road, let something run over me? Hey, so that I can get your full attention. Want to explain to you, you're the hit on every corner. Gotta confess to you, girl, just what you're doing to this brother. You got my heart, my mind, and my soul all burning with desire. And if ever I was given a chance, every bone in my body would give thanks. Don't let me cry to you, for a grown man crying is a sign of weakness. But I wouldn't lie to you, no, that you'd be just right for my fitness, girl. I'd walk a mile or maybe two, just for you, baby. Just for you, baby.
Sitting in the park, waiting for you, my baby. Sitting in the park, waiting for you. Yes, I'm sitting right here, waiting for you, my dear. Wondering if you're ever gonna show. I don't know if you're gonna show, but my darling, I've got to go. But nevertheless, I said again, you got me waiting, sitting in the park, waiting for you. Sitting here on a bench with my back against the fence, wondering if I've got any sense. Something tells me I'm a fool to let you treat me so cruel. But nevertheless, I said again, you got me waiting, sitting in the park, waiting for you. Baby, baby.
but could you step aside now? Another man wants to take over, 'cause you don't know what you got, so now it's time to lose it. Step aside now, let me show you how to treat a woman. She needs a tender touch, she needs loving, oh, so much. Now tell me how you're crazy, leaving her so long, oh, so lonely. Now she's a winner, so you better protect her. 'Cause when you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do, she will comfort you. She's a dream come true, she will be your friend when you think that it's the end. She's always around, always around. Hey, hey, won't you step aside now? Another man wants to be the ruler, 'cause you don't know what you got, and now it's time to lose it. Step aside now, let me show you something about your woman. She needs a tender touch, she needs loving, oh, so much. Now tell me, are you crazy, leaving her so long, oh, so lonely. Now she's a winner, so you better protect her, yeah. 'Cause when you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do, she will comfort you. She's a dream come true, she will be your friend when you think that it's the end. She's always around, always around.
Live while everything you've got to the mind to give. Great sounds called like loving you.
You listen to me, baby. Listen to me good now.
Now live
Listen
like
to
you
me,
got
honey.
while everything you've got to the mind to give.
You think I love you for just one thing.
You will tell you.
To you, my love, it may be the way it seems.
My baby.
But I love the way you carry yourself. I even love the way you wear your hair. Ain't that love in you? I'm asking again. Ain't that love in you? For more reasons than one.
So live a life you love. Live a life you live.
Yeah. Somehow my love, hey, you've been
You
misleading.
will tell you.
It's by the things that other may have said. But I love you for what you are. I even love you for what you may become. Now ain't that love in you?
My baby.
I'm asking again, ain't that love in you? For more reasons than one. Did it ever
My baby.
occur to you, yes, why I do all that any man can do, yeah. You keep the smile upon your face. That's because I love you. I love you in so many ways. Somehow, my love, you've been misled, and it's by the things that other may have said. But I love you for what you are. I even love you for what you may become. Ain't that love in you?
My baby.
I'm asking again. Now ain't that love in you? For more reasons than one.
Everything I love the song. I want to
lifting my heart. We in such a golden time at the party. Now there's hardly any safe place left to go. Someone's bound to come and try to spoil the show. Remember the songs that used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to reign. We danced all night to the songs they played. We can come again. We do it just the same. Hey, John Old Times and Ellis Elroy Wilson, Dennis Brown. Hey, Big U, Josie Wells, that a Roy would wake the town. Yeah, and you had to hold your woman real close when Smokey starts to sing. Temptations, Marvin Gaye, Spinners all the way. Aretha Franklin, Patti LaBelle used to make me drift away. Play Stevie Play, Samuel Kenny Day. We dance all night to the songs they play. We can come again, do it just the same. Right now, we need a brand new start. People everywhere need more music from the heart. And if there remains such a place that I can go, will someone tell me, I'd love to know. Remember the songs that used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to reign. Yeah. Dance all night to the songs they played. We can come again, do it just the same. Yeah. Give it all you got today. Follow your heart, go out and play. Yeah. You might never find what you see, so before you're old and weak, give it all you got today. Yeah. These are some things you must bear in mind. Hey, please everyone every time. But if tomorrow you wake and find half of your life just blew your mind, don't you wait until it's too late. Don't let the horse go through the gate. Give it all you got today. Yeah. Oh, now there's a bright sun shining, shining for you. Yeah, yeah. There's a different morning. Go out and touch the dew. Give it all you got today. Chase the I can't survive away. You got the will, green light, say go. Tell it to all those who don't know. Give it all you got today. Spend all your life trying to impress. Too easily you answer yes. At the end of the day they just disrespect. 'Cause what you give is what you get. And it's too late when you realize you never grow past chicken and fries. Give it all you got today. Oh, no.
We need an
Tell me that I'm wrong and that I don't know what I'm talking about now.
to the questions that we ask. Now tell me, why do the heathen rage and even imagine such vain things? The seed of destruction is in their hearts. Can you tell me, why do the wicked run when the righteous in deep meditation? The forces of evil will have to depart. Sometimes I sit and wonder why some people can't seem to prosper. It seems they have some dark secrets inside that they're trying to hide, fail to understand their behavior. It seems they have lost their culture, or maybe they're trying to take us for a ride. Tell me why do the river run much slower as it gets deeper? You see a man's face, but you don't see his heart. Now why must another baby cry? Why did the youth man die? I know it was not written in his star, but there is one thing that I desire, and that is what I will seek after, that I will dwell in the house of Jah. For I know that the devil is a liar, and the works of the wicked can't prosper. It seems they don't have no love in their heart. No, no, no.
No, I never can understand it, the way the system plans. There's no hope, no chance, no loophole, no escape for a sufferer man. Cause every time I lift my head above water and try to save myself from drown, there's an overnight scheme all worked out, designed to keep me down. Still I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance. I've gotta work it out. Blowing, blow. I wanna stay home tonight. I long to spend some time with the family, but staying home won't make it right. Sometimes the pressure make me feel like holler, when every sign says no way out. Breaking my back to make an overtime dollar, that just goes from hand to mouth. Still I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance now. I've got to work it out. Lord, I'm putting up resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know I'm putting up resistance. I'm gonna work it out, Lord. Got to fight it. Got to fight it. No, I never can understand it, the way the system goes. I don't know how they do it. It's only one way things flow. Cause every time I lift my head above water and try to save myself from drown, there's an overnight scheme all worked out, designed to keep me down. Still I'm putting up a resistance. I've got to work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. Whoa, putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. Putting up a resistance now. I'm gonna work it out.
Woman, you inspire me, baby. Yes, you do. I've been so many places, seen so many faces, but none quite as lovely as you. More beautiful than the Mona Lisa, worth more than gold, and my eyes can't measure just to behold. You're my latest and my greatest, my greatest inspiration. Yes, you are. Things never look clear. Things really never felt near. My burden's gone. It's turned into a song. Tender as a baby's touch. Oh, I needed you oh so much. At last, our love so alive. You're my latest and my greatest, my greatest inspiration. Yes, you are. I plan to give you all that I have. I'll be everything, everything you think I am. You made life a joy to me, and I'm thankful. Guess I'm blessed just to know you. I've seen so many places, seen so many faces, but my greatest, my greatest inspiration. Yes, you are. You're my latest and my greatest, my greatest inspiration. Woman, you inspire me. I just can't let you go. Oh no, no, not my baby. We were only strangers in the night, getting to know each other. The mood was right, strolling under the moonlight, hoping that we could get out of sight. And while the entertainer's singing his song, I hold a feeling oh so strong. Never thought love would look me in the eyes. I lift my head, oh what a big surprise. But there are people all around who tried to take her life from me. Now, they don't seem to realize this love was meant to be. Only your love can set me free. I think I won the prize. From the very first time I looked in your eyes, I knew love would last forever. It's a blessing to be with someone like you. Now the ladies realize I am no longer solo, got you by my side. And this new love I will treasure. I'll be faithful and true till the day I die. And when people criticize, we will hold on to love, just be our guide. And if I had to do it over, it would have to be you, girl. No one else could do. No, no, I can't let you go. Oh no, 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 not my baby. I can't let you walk out my life. No, 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 no. Ooh, no, baby. Now they can't understand how could she be in love with someone like me. But they don't seem to realize that this love was meant to be. Only your love can set me free. We were just strangers in the night, getting to know each other. The mood was right, strolling under the moonlight, hoping that we could get out of sight. And while the entertainer's singing his song, I hold a feeling oh so strong. I never thought love would look me in the eyes. I lift my head, oh what a big surprise. I may have won the prize. From the very first time I looked in her eyes, I knew love would last forever. It's a blessing to be with someone like you. No, no.
Many did try but couldn't steal my honey. Many did try but couldn't get her love. Some fool did try to trick her with his money. Turn around and wonder what she is made of. She just loved this groovy little thing we got going. It will last as long as her heart's are beating. She just loved this groovy little thing we got going. It will last as long as her heart's are beating. Many did try, but she would not leave me. Many did try to tell her lies about me. Sometimes the things they say, Lord knows, would hurt me. With a smile, she just ignored their silly tries. She just loved this groovy little thing we got going. And it will last as long as her heart's are beating. The woman just loved this groovy little thing we got going. And it will last as long as her heart's are beating. she is made of. I think she just loves this groovy little thing we got going. And it will last as long as her heart's so beating. The woman just loves this groovy little thing we got going.
Name? Jamaica Reggae Retreat.
I see them all coming. Hear their voice, smell their fear. I'll send them all running. Hear me roar, please beware. I'm the lion in the jungle. Do what I gotta do, protect my pride. I'm the lion in the jungle. You should know let's sleeping's lion's life. They try. No matter what they do, can't take my crown. They try. I feel the pain. Even get worse when I'm calling. No one was there for me. Them no good cause them gone back from morning. No one was there. Hey, I know how Humpty felt when it go wrong. When there was no one there to help, they turned and looked around. It feels like egg just splashed in your face. It feels like you watch how you choose your friend. This time something bad might happen right there down the line. But when we are here and share, we no ask each us. But no dirty life, we no want with us. Now let in bad mind, them too contagious. It's a good thing the most I watch out. I feel the pain. It even gets worse when I'm calling. No one was there for me. Them no good cause them gone back from morning. No one was there. Hear this. Babylon. Oh, you want moves around. Tell me now. Babylon. Tell me what's your plan, me no overstand. Babylon. Oh, you want moves around. What's your plan? Babylon. From before we born, you are deceived. You're poor with the rich and this the poor and needy. You try to hide your stingy ways, but we don't know you're greedy. You have a whole cake can be a crumbs you are feed with. Oh, you moved up and you are tripping like a bikini. We sick and we tired, long time we dance into your trickery. You must have to say we are full. We go to school, I'm on your history, but still the way you move to me is a mystery. So, Babylon. Oh, you want moves around. Tell me now. Babylon. Tell me what's your plan, you know overstand. Babylon. Oh, you want moves around. What's your plan? Babylon.
And if you call crazy love, that's what we have. Sometimes you make me happy, sometimes I'm sad. Crazy love has taken control of my life. In this a crazy love, this you call crazy love. Like a cigarette. Me know say it will kill me, but me can't stop smoke. So thoughtful and considerate. And next time me feel me woulda slit me one throat. And it's all so funny to me. There's no place I'd rather be than in your arms. Safe and warm, safe and warm. In this a crazy love, that's what we have. Sometimes you make me happy.
One night, calling all my girls.
Oh yeah.
I wanna let you know you're very special.
Oh yeah.
Your love means everything to me. I wanna love you now, baby. I wanna love you down. I wanna love you. Yeah. Baby, don't tease me. No. Don't wanna make you a one night stand. I wanna make love to you all the time.
Marlon, what a quad! It's a lot of things you see in the ghetto. Yes. Little girls growing up fast, they wearing stilettos. Little kids ain't coming first place, but wearing a medal. The music playing, it's your choice to dance with the devil. That's crazy. And trust me, life's just beginning. It's your choice out here, whether losing or winning. Just put your hands together and pray before sinning. And trust me, God got your back in the end. Dear Heavenly Father, you gotta pray for it. And don't be greedy with God, you gotta wait for it. Haters wanna see you die and make you late for it. Your future right there, don't be scared, you gotta stay for it. You gotta take it in your own hands. Gotta grow up in the street, become your own man. Why you think I step up in the booth to motivate the OGs and the youth? I only
No
speak
matter
the
who
truth.
stands in my way, it won't stop me. No, I remain confident, cause the Almighty got me. Yeah.
King of you, girl, come link me now. Make we go on with things, cause you're the only real thing missing. Girl, I've been thinking now, but you're sexy and thick. I know your two eyes, them pretty black woman. Come link me now, make we go on with things, cause you're the only real thing missing. Girl, I've been thinking now, but you're sexy and thick. I know your two eyes, them pretty. Hey girl, I got it for you. Overall, you're feeling honey, take your phone and give me a call. Sunshine, no matter if they not fall. Start me up, no girl, you know me now go stall. If me no see you, then me now go home. How come me now sleep in a me bed alone? Hey girl, me well want you feel love me up. Come squeeze and hug me up now. Come link me girl, make we go with things, cause you're the only
real thing missing. Girl, I've been thinking how much you sexy and thick. I know you two eyes them pretty. Hey girl, link me now, make me go out with things. Cause you're the only real thing missing. Hey girl, I've been thinking of hey,
you know the passenger. Me a the carrot in a your dream. Me just a get feel of her, she gone. She gone, she gone, she gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? As me just a get feel of her, she gone. She gone, she gone, she gone. Reminiscing on your charms. Now who's gonna keep me warm? She come out of me house and gone. Feel like me pocket them run out of can. Up on me birthday this girl ya gone. She gone, she gone, she gone. Well, we been through earthquake, thunder plus storm. Hungry belly days when nothing a gone. No time, no food, never dep on the farm. And she still never leave my arms. But as she start ball with the girl done. Start mugging up, say her hotness a gone. Every night the friend man a blow car on. But she a go sorry, this you me a want. No man, me no like where you going round. You send a me little island. So I'm speaking out about the violence against our children and the woman. No, me not block the road. When we see the evil, me just locking load. Them say we fi be vigilant, so me gone in a vigilante mood. Me tell ya, stop what you doing. Take this time and listen to the voices they're calling. Who's died and the ones who are missing. Until we take back control, there'll be no rest for their souls. Cause what affects one of us affects us all.
Yeah, you always say you're sorry. You know it's the time you cannot tell. Force me fi put me on fire. Fi police lock me up. Woman now have a pretty face but to have a bitter heart, yeah. When me say pack up and go, pack up and live. Come in and beat ya. Pack up and go, pack up and live. Far away, yeah. Pack up and go, pack up and live. Me just can't beat ya. Me rather love me son before me make you lock me up.
Love for you, girl, cause you treat me right. I got love for you, baby, every day and night. Love for you, baby, I'll do as I should. I got sweet love for you, baby, that's gonna make you feel so good. Right here in my arms is where you should be. Cause baby, my love for you comes so naturally. Got the honey in my coffee, the sugar in my tea. And if you're ever feeling lonely, you can call on me.
Judge what's over his people, his people. Children was all from the storm. Yeah, right through the struggle when we needed him most. Judge never leave us out there to walk alone. I'll make you walk and talk with China, we are far away from you. You're the light in my dark, every night me take a walk, I could never stray for you. Jaja, thanks for giving me this chance. Every day you have to give thanks.
Fly away. They told me I won't reach far. They would win if words could kill. The mirror told me I was a star. I made my plan and started to build. And now I'm on the go. Nothing and no one gonna stop my stride. Hope is in my step. I'm alive. I will survive. Yeah. Survival of the fittest. And a few can endure, it's not the quickest. It's like them not remember how this is. Mind over matter, no error, nor glitches. What me say? Always doing what they say I can't. Making a dream a reality. Nothing is impossible. We've got the ability. Yeah.
Success.
yourself, no. Never give up or stop one day. Things must change. You won't see we task and fight no more. No, cause we no in a them thing though. Get up, push off and start anew. The pain and struggle will done. Don't be a loser, no listen where the critic them told you. Chat them not get no response. Left them confused and you don't let them test your faith. Me see many are called but a few get a break. And then I up today tomorrow sad in a face. You should arise and celebrate. Never give up and don't let go, it's all in you. Never give up on yourself, no.
This loyalty grieving me. It's obvious to all the blind, so you not rate me. Me winning now, you want celebrate me. When you feel motivate me, you violate me. Everything change about you lately. Be with me, you're my lady. Love and support me daily. An next man driving you crazy. You a say you can't help it, really. When you fit cheer me on, you dash where you pam pam. Give up and me never know said that I was a champion. Take side start right pan another wagon. Now you want champion, you never want a dragon. Keep on supporting them and your team that. Now me have the place locked, now let you lean back. Switch and turn purple and say you never mean that. If you was Sarah Bala, turn in your green black, it obvious.
I see, I feel the pain that's running over you. I see, I feel the tears keep falling from your face. I see, I feel the scars that deep within your skin. I see, yeah, I feel, yeah. Every day that you walk outside, you have a pretty smile on your face. But I know that you ain't treated right, that's something you can't erase. Said he hurt you, then you hurt yourself. That don't really make no sense. Just be who you are, girl, you're a star.
Give thanks and praise to see a brand new day. Give thanks and praises to the Most High. Give thanks and praise for the health and strength, the fresh air and the freedom. Give thanks and praises to the Most High. Give thanks even if I want pants. Still I give your praise with no response. Give thanks, never keep a distance. A life over them to keep a 6 months. Give thanks. The rebels block already, we are forward. You figure with clearance. Give thanks. When the blessings of the Most High are flowing, I need no disturbance.
You were a friend of a friend, meet up, never planned, but attraction grabbed me. But your words and your thoughts light a spark in my heart, fire burn instantly. Your eyes took me to a place where my mind was at home and at ease. No time for the reveries. I'm here with you and I'm so pleased that never ever lose with you. Got to stay true to you. Oh, how I love you so. My caramel indigo, breaking all the rules with you. Got to stay true to you. Oh, how I love you so.
Just two man arise, them end up a fall. When them fear work, the whole of them stall. Fire start burn them, now them start fall. See them start to crumble like the burning wall. When them fear rise, them end up a fall. When them fear work, the whole of them stall. Fire start burn them, now them start fall. See them start to crumble like the burning wall. Can't keep we down. Can't keep we down. Can't keep we down. We keep rising like the sun. Can't keep we down. Can't keep we down. Can't keep we down. With them opium or them gun. That's true when I rise like the
Everywhere you look, people dying. And everywhere you turn, Lord, is the same crying. And you can read it in the paper, you can watch it on your flat screen, you can hear it on the radio, in the street it's also can be seen. The world needs love, not for some but for one another. The only way we are gonna find peace
peace. The world needs love, not for someone, for one another. The only way we are gonna find peace.
My life without you.
From the day we met, you let me feel brand new. Now we are a perfect couple, baby, me and you. My dream come true, I wanna stick to you like glue. From that blessed day, you've been so true. Nothing in this world that I wouldn't do. I'll do for you.
I'm gonna hold and keep you warm and give you all my loving. Without you, I just can't go on. You're so charming. I'm gonna hold and keep you warm and give you all my loving.
Love you, baby.
Shelter you from the storm, so heartwarming.
My baby.
Sure. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. You know, sweet. She took a few pictures of the Telegram flow. I observed on her pages, shaking it out. She got that detail, that smile, I was caught in the search. Then she sent me a slideshow in a short mini skirt. That can't done, when I leave it up, when I scan it, but it won't work. Sent it to and I tell me come, invited me to come church. She call me more time, I tell me come check it out. Ready if you go flirt, and she wanna meet me at the concert. She was just a Twitter friend, another Facebook guest. She tell me say she different from the rest. Send me a lot of pictures, hundreds, tights and knickers and breasts. And that make me lose interest. She captioned the pic and put a star on the edge, and then she sent me a IG. She was just a Twitter friend, another Facebook guest. She tell me say she different from the rest. Yes. Oh yeah. Stay a little while, a little bit longer here with me. Spend a little time, little more time under the sheets. Yeah. We could say good morning, we don't have to say good night. We don't have to sleep alone. Let's make up for us time. 'Cause baby, I feel waves crushing in. And baby, I feel the waves I'm diving in.
Them coming on me place, come take me chain and me ring them. So-called family, so-called friend them. No pay me back a dime amount of money me lend them. So-called family, so-called friend them. Coming on me place, come take me data, yes, ring them. So-called family, so-called friend them. No pay me back a dime amount of money me lend them. So-called family, so-called friend them. Kiss me Bible and key. And that me sit down and I pray. Them take all me one ganja tree. Them gone with everything for free. I true them good movie TV. Them gone with the ginger CD. They look like when me place them cut key. All I do a thing that's it for me.
You never know if you just in a room right now. In these times, you can be good is best be careful. In these times, you have to be smart. In these times, you can be good is best be careful. In these times, you know what you're going in before you go and rush in. Be careful what you put out, be aware of what you're taking in. Don't wait until things start to deteriorate before you realize the mess creating. Prevention is better than cure. Protect yourself like you want to live. Yes, things and times are not like before. And they will come. I miss my mama. Everything about her. I miss the stories that she used to tell. I miss my mama. I miss the laughter. No one can tell me she wasn't an angel. The only friend
was my therapist. In testing time, police tell her me a killer. She said not my child. Her love for me was off the grid. Mama, Viva, you believe in me. I am
in this system, the people never pay the victim. Too long the nation keep on suffering. We're tired of the killing and the shooting. In this political system, the people never pay the victim. Too long the nation keep on struggling. We're tired of the killing and the fighting. The greed for money cause war and destruction. So many nations under oppression. Expansion of the nuclear weapon, frightening the people with intimidation. The armed rebellion with tax and inflation. People homeless and in destitution. The people chanting of a revolution. Love is the only solution. In this system, the people never been a victim. Them a strong, make we so bad. Tell them a bless when we say God. Think a little walk, we walk when we are tried. Tell them a strong, when them a mad. Tell them a strong, make we so bad. Tell them a bless when we say God. You think a little walk, we walk when we are tried. Tell them a strong, when them a mad. Cause every dog of him the and every puss of him 6 o'clock. Do all your work, you get paid. We're gone by the morning, can't fix back. So me say, mama, where you gone and you not come back. Papa, where you gone and can't come back. My sister, where you gone and you not come back. My brother, where you gone and not come back.
Out of the mountain, babe, and suckling. I dance straight. Most time. Rastafari, the judge of the king, king of excellence. Oh, I stand that I kill them. So we going from far. Man, we lie. Every youth we are building. Now make them suffer and buy. Because the road rocky is and the hill steep. And every day we try to barefoot in the street. If you work hard, you will achieve. Put your trust in King Selassie, cause this and I make believe. Cause only I know what we going through. Only I know what we going through. Cause no one knows my feeling. I stand up for what I believe in.
And yes, I want the world to know that I am yours. And baby, there's no reason to hide at the biggest I love you even more. Sure, as the sea races to the shore. Everywhere I go, everybody knows I love you. Oh, and there is nowhere in the world I'd rather to be. And when I'm weak and down and out, she strengthens me. Yeah. Place your beautiful head on my beating heart. Everywhere I go, everybody knows I love you. And it was written in the stars.
Hey, you Mr. Bad Mind Face. You only come around to do fake things. You little bad mind face. Them can't get me out of the race. You little bad mind face. You only come around to do fake things. You little bad mind face. Them can't get me out of the race. Them are too much cutlass and them quick fi change pass. As you make a dollar, them want call you boss. But wait till you can't find no money fi floss. And that's how them come up with them corrupted card. I hope ya them a seek fast so them can't look bad. Me see say them a stray from the righteous path. Them need to tell you what that be wash off them heart. Me and corruption have no lot no part. Hey, you miss a bad mind face. You only come around to do fake things. You little bad mind face.
Only stand I want to steal from your eyes, take you one from your Kimbo. To get you down, I saw the thing go. One day we are go bingo, no more living in a limbo. Want to steal from your eyes, take you one from your Kimbo. To get you down, I saw the thing go. No worry, one day me I go bingo, no more living in a limbo. I'm a work hard to watch your children grow and get progressive in a life. Come motivation is my flow. Come and know where me I come from, enough things me know. Anytime me hungry, that couldn't show. Catch I and comfort, mama is a pro. One step at a time, just take that slow. Mama say never too late for the trumpet blow. As me rise, me make mama know.
Yeah, you brought me through them hard times, even through them very dark times. You've got everything in tune, mama. I know I'm blessed from the womb. You carry me up onto the stage, mama. From a very tender age, mama. Mama, you love me, didn't have to. So into words, I wanna say thank you. Oh yeah, you're the greatest mother. Oh yeah, but I'm the latest mother. Oh yeah, mama, blessings so pure. If I never mama, we go there right now. Oh yeah, you're the greatest mother. Oh yeah, you're always with me in my prayers. Oh yeah, mama, blessings so pure. If I never mama, we go there right now.
It would be so nice, if you didn't have to feel so lonely. It would be so nice, if I could just take you for a moment. I know you like to get away, go away, far away, to a place where there's just us two. Got a busy day every day, but not today, 'cause I'm here to take the stress from you, so you can just chill and clear your head and let me do everything for you, 'cause you deserve it. Prepare your meal. Oh, yeah.
Don't want you roboticing. I don't know why the hell it's got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets or Molly. I'm turning one, trying to live it up. Here, right. Baby, you can ride it, ooh, yeah. Bring it over to my place, and you be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you did to me. Your body lightweight speaks to me. I don't know what you did to me. Your body lightweight speaks to me. Oh yeah, yeah. Rain on it, hurricane on it. Ooh yeah. Hey, I can make you hurricane on it. 100 bands make it rain on it. Tie it up, put a chain on it. Make you tattoo my name on it. Oh, make you cry like a baby. Oh, let's go pro and make a video. Make you cry like a baby. Oh, let's go pro and make a video. Oh yeah. You can ride it, ooh yeah. Bring it over to my place, and you be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you did to me. Your body lightweight speak to me. I don't know what you did to me. Your body lightweight speaks to me. Ooh, yeah.
did friends. Many take jabs at me, but they failed, couldn't mark me absent. Cause I believe I passed the test. I saw the results are real. I used to get a lot of warning, but I never did take heed. It didn't take long, they burned me down. Their secrets so revealed. But I held strong in my faith in God and my faith in the seventh seal. This is a testimony for those who pull the trigger. A testimony. No, they'll never pull me under. The Most High stretched out His hand. From the guts along, help them, my God. Situation well, Lord. It does down my yard. Hear about the Lord, help them, my God. Situation well, Lord. Enough of them run gone abroad. Oh Lord, to work with them, me get up one day, you them on ya. If them a teeth, them feel left the corner. Boy can play hard years and him go rob Mrs. Lana. I bet the deep but if right banana. The boy you move me up for one never drama. Lick the man on my bike and ride the armor. Take the start, cut the big bridge and ride down. Police back him up and shot him round the corner.
Me turn the negative to positive, I eat my shop them head. And never that them did I look for was to see me come a bed. Tell them stay with them sweet, but no only live by bread. Mama said fi satisfy and drink water, got me bed. And that she used to feed the pan and see then now we not dead. It's not easy like now, them time that it dread. Me glad say me never disobey. Glad say me never go astray. And see you sowing silent can be seen while it grows. They can't stop prosperity. That is what I know for sure. What is yours is yours. I may hate you more, but can't stop your prosperity.
Whenever you could be so cold. Me nah sell out none of me bread a them. Me want money but me red a them. Some boy go switch and say I never them. Them they love to see it when me broke the bread again. Me nah sell out none of me bread a them. Me want money but me red a them. Some boy go switch and say I never them. Them they love to see it when me broke the bread again. I know feel we fault, I just said it so. Nah, you play me heart, I feel let it go. No hope the man no take no bad, we no step it so. Righteousness in our thought, come feel left with you. Go round the corner, take it straight, give it clarity. Pussy in the bag, make everybody see. No must see matter that you carry fee. Me never compromise, me no want no sorry fee. Yo, my girl,
Kindness is a weakness. Approach with caution. Give while you can, without expectation. The devil was once an angel. Be careful who you call upon. 299 good, yet still them kill you for one. The green light turned red in less than a second. Only the dead get recognition. Never surprise, that's the honor for man. Still have to stand firm. In a this time I get it and I cry tears. Tears is a language only God understands.
I know the system set away, but me know me have to make it out. Yeah, I feel have some food on me table, because me tired of the hand to mouth. Yeah, watch me make it while the sun rise. Life me now ramp it out. See them don't have no youths to make it, cause Babylon stamp them out. Hey, what you know? As me rise up every morning, inhale the fresh air, yes, me take it all in. Give thanks to the Most High, the one above I. When them dig them pit, them make me fall in. Politicians are tying the news round the people, them throat. See them now everywhere you're balling. I know every man a bus gun now, so me not just none now. And every girl get brawling, me darling. If you're not firm, you're falling. And father them sell your body.
To sit and wonder why you have to meet so many stones throwing. I realize the more love I give, the more some hatred showing. Mama said to me,
Jamaica. The one trap we Mento and this guy, all of them great, yeah. Me no know how this little music have so much honor. Me I go embrace me jam down and defend me culture and I move like no traitor. Before you start chat, just try know the facts. You soon say I do go stop, go laugh. Before you make that mistake, let me stop in all your tracks. Oh, I'm say.
You ask me if I love you, and I choke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie. And who am I to judge you on what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I had to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides.
Sometimes you lose a little bit just to gain some more. On this quest of loving you, one thing is for sure, I can't stop needing you. Though my heart bleeding true, there is pain in loving you. Still much to gain. This love is true. Faith will reign on me and you, and our love will see the sunrise.
Yes, I love you, baby. I love so pure, I would never deny it. I know you love me, baby. My heart is open wide, ready to receive you. I never loved like this. You're the best thing for me, baby, baby. Girl, you give me good love, unconditional, hard to believe it. Don't you know that you're the best thing to me?
Contest, I have something serious to say. Come sit down and drink and listen to me well. This woman keep on accuse me of things I've never come across. Oh Lord, yeah. And every day she get up and I live in the past. All she do is just knocking every day. Keep on knocking it from months and days. With the same thing in my ears. I can't take it no more, cause it's just a ringing in my ears. Keep on knocking it from months and days. With the same thing in my ears. Oh Lord.
Listen. One good should cover a million bad. Yeah. Everyone deserves a second chance. No relationship never sour from start. Yeah. At some given point you must have a sweet part. Yes. Hero, you need to be the bigger half. Yes. Sit your baby down, give her a serious talk. Ask her if you've given reasons.
I know it will be grieving, telling you I'm leaving. Gotta do what I know is right. We talk about the flirting, the pain that it's causing when you roam the streets at night. No, you're asking me to understand what's there for me to say. Still don't care, it's not there. Let us go our separate ways. And no more tricks and dirty lies. No more freaking alibis. No more tears for me to cry. Have a lovely day. And you don't need to change your life. You don't
you get in return? The trust is like a bridge people often burn. Start accusing you of things you never have in your thoughts. Argue every day, but none of you wanna be apart. If we break up, there's no makeup.
Them have dollars and they don't got no sense. Idiot, man. In a pants and them not use the lace. On the girl, man. Why? My style is different. And when I forward me, have me the verse. Why? Them say them bad, but them badness still. They poor now the rich end up in jail. Over foolishness, the kids them to feel. It never make no sense back. Oh, you're afraid of that, you must a man and what? Shoulda still at the road like good you player. So you a call shots, put it back fire. You never true to the thing, you a liar. Them have dollars and them don't got no sense. Idiot, man. In a pants and them not use the lace. On the girl, man.
Some lips here organized, some come with tears in the eyes to convince that's just disguise. I play club and my exercise while they try capitalize. Man, I fall in soldier demise. While I them heard for who do my talk about gone too soon. True and fall along the side. We come to pain and choose not fear, but jump up on the bandwagon. Exalt on yourself amongst the morning companions. We all look see. You think some really mean condolences? No, why? Them cold frigidly. Long time you shoulda win a whole summer free. Okay, be all look see. You think some really mean condolences? No way, self-interest, no party. Breaking some cash, I'm glad you're gonna cemetery. Oh yeah.
Hey, don't let the king wait in vain. Now lay down. I got some plans for you laid out. Champagne. That's what I said when I like you, yeah, no games. Zero complaint. I give you my money, you give me love. I give you my money, you give me love. Too many girls out there don't wanna play fair. So well, I give you my money, you give me love. Give to receive, you know the basic. X like an advertisement, I'm an exit. Give love from my heart, you will take it. If you have a night, it's electric. So many girls outside with their eyes on my page.
You're blessed and you're gorgeous, perfect and you're flawless. I love you regardless. Clean from the soul to your garments. Now beg a boy, nothing, not even pardon. My heart tough like a harden, serious like a warden, but you just disarm it. I said I never get a love like this, but now I feel like I'm falling. I had a dream last night, you were sent from heaven. I hear angel pan hurt, but you're bad like me a pen. I see a lamb. She said she want have fun, make we roll all day then. You want my baby, and you drive me crazy. Te amo, well mucho te amo. I love you, my senorita. So nice to meet.
Come link with the God now. Link up on the soda. Mama take your heart up on the narcosa. Buy a couple clothes on your ear and your toes though. And girl, you pretty like Rosa. Me a cup does a gloss iPhone for your spot You're too pretty fit and in awesome. Get anything you want, you just ask me. Anything you want, me buy, no matter the cost me. Girl, you too pretty, you feel live like a Barbie. Jacuzzi and Rosa, run a girlfriend, nothing wrong. If you left your man, be your money man. I'm not ungrateful, that's ambition. That's if you do it.
My few edison. We ain't gonna make a couple edison. Yeah, man, don't know about our life. Oh, just someone I'm white. Yo, my buy few edison to celebrate the blessings in our heart. Tell them to know, but that's just the carpet, you never left it now. Instinct govern, can't spend govern. We one team with a left back, no one. Buy few edison to celebrate the blessings in our heart. Them they take we lightly. More time them avoid we. When we beg for a straight, them all with themselves, so them always style with.
know. Who me say, oh you do it, me son. Buy something on the street.
About cheese and cheddar, real hot stepper, real go-getter from birth. Them know me discreet and never. Some cleaners tell a real jenna me could never convert. Man a juggle for the cheese and cheddar, real hot stepper, real go-getter from birth. Them know me discreet and never. Some cleaners tell a real jenna me could never convert. Yo dog, who owe me on the money come me like me mint it. Me know the glitter them no like with them a try fi kill we. From me a little youth me wiser than a trying to pit me. Me play the fool fi catch the wise when them a try fi trick me. And anywhere me go me still big up Trinity. Me lock the place now take the me and a man a lock the city. Murder the beat and me no got no pity. Poverty and no me size and that no fit me. I just the cheese and cheddar, real hot stepper, real go-getter from birth. Them know me discreet and never. Some cleaners tell a real jenna me could.
Here we born. Me and my friend them no war over nothing. Well me never have to run go for nothing. Let me tell you something.
Hey, you are my friend for life. Through the roughest of times, yeah, you're still there by my side. You are my friend for life. When nothing now go on negative, we never emphasize. You are my friend for life. You're more than a brother, Jen. You win like leather, my Jenna, my friend for life. When nothing now go on, yeah, you're still there by my side.
Long time we a step. Oh, if it switch now, money start make. All of my friends, them me love them to death. I woulda never sell me G them out. Clarks and Gucci crep. Know that nothing for my friend them get. From me a step, you know them a fi step. Friend them a fi rich, well you want stick a bit.
Great name, Jamaica Reggae Retreat, featuring Turbulence the Future.
Reggae Vibes Promotions presents Jamaica Reggae Retreat with international reggae star Turbulence. Join us in Montego Bay, Jamaica from April 18th through the 22nd, 2024. Spend 4 nights and 5 days at an all-inclusive Jamaican-owned resort on the famous Hip Strip, walking distance from the world-renowned Doctor's Cave Beach. Immerse yourself in the rich culture as you participate in a one-of-a-kind tour to 9 Mile St. Anne, the birthplace of Bob Marley.
But they told me not to smoke on the job. I'm not a good listener. So I end up lost my job 6 times. From Monday to Saturday.
Climb the stunning Dunn's River Falls and revitalize your soul in its many natural lagoons. Chat with Turbulence. Find out what inspires his music and then listen as he performs at a concert. Increase your knowledge of Rastafarianism with special 420 day activities. Visit reggaevibestravel.com for more details.
Give him a round of applause. Come on, a round of applause.